Welcome to Extreme Web Designs. This is Rocky. In this video, we will see how to retract copyright claims or remove a copyright strike on YouTube videos. So this video is basically for content creators who have uploaded their videos to YouTube and have found out that someone else have actually stolen their videos and uploaded them as their own. So the content creators have raised a copyright strike on the videos to YouTube. So because a copyright claim was raised by a content creator, now the user who has defaulted on this action by uploading the copyrighted video as their own, they may request the content creator to remove the copyright strike. Or maybe they asked for forgiveness, maybe they just said sorry and they wanted the content creator to remove the strike. Usually what happens is YouTube has a strike which stays in place for at least 90 days, only after which it goes away. And the most punishing part of a YouTube copyright strike is that whenever an account gets a copyright strike, it gets demonetized. So if a user gets demonetized and they realize that they have done something wrong and now they want to change their ways, they can actually request the content creator for forgiveness. So in this case, a content creator can go ahead and retract the copyright claim that they have made in the past. Let's get started. So go to youtube.com and make sure that you sign in by clicking on the sign in button at the right hand section. Once you're logged in, click on the logo and click on the Creator Studio button. And once you're on your dashboard page, click on Video Manager option in the left-hand sidebar. And under the Video Manager option, there's an option that says Submit Retraction. Click on that. So this is the Submit Retraction section. As you can see here, I have actually reported copyright claims on videos that were recorded in the past by me, but those videos were stolen by other users and uploaded as their own. So in this case, I have actually raised a copyright claim because of which those users received strikes on their accounts and eventually their accounts got closed. So as we can see here, these are the list of videos that were stolen and were copyright striked. So let's say you get a request from a user saying that they apologize for their actions and they promise that they're not going to repeat it. And let's say if you want to give them a fair chance to correct themselves, in this case, you might want to remove this video from the copyright claim. So in this case, what you can do is simply click the checkbox against the video that you want to remove from the copyright claim and click on the Retract Claims button over here. Now, I'm not going to do that because that will take me through the entire process of retracting, but you get the idea. So just simply do this and you will be on your way to retract your claim. So this is how you can submit a retraction for YouTube copyright infringement issues. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please feel free to hit the like button, leave a comment, share it on social media, and subscribe to the channel. Soon after you subscribe, make sure you tap the bell icon located right next to the subscribe button to receive all future updates. Thanks for watching.